In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Nordvpn not connecting issue on Windows 11. If you've ever had trouble connecting your Nordvpn on a Windows 11 device, don't worry, because you're not alone. This can be a common issue and usually has a straightforward fix. Let's walk through it step by step to get you back online and secure as quickly as possible. The first thing you need to do is make sure you can access the Nordvpn app. Take a moment to open the app on your Windows 11 computer. It's always a good idea to ensure the app is fully updated, as having the latest version could prevent a lot of connectivity issues right from the start. Software updates often include important patches and improvements that can enhance performance and security. Once you have the app open, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You'll typically find the settings menu represented by a gear icon or under a menu labeled Settings. This is where you can control the inner workings of your Nordvpn app and make any necessary changes to its configuration. After opening the settings, look for an option labeled Diagnostics. The Diagnostics tool is incredibly useful as it helps to identify and troubleshoot potential errors that might be causing your connection issues. Click on Diagnostics and allow the system to run its checks. This built-in feature will scan for any recognized problems and give you more insight into why the app might be having trouble connecting. As the diagnostic scan is running, pay attention to any prompts or error messages that appear. These could give you specific clues about the problem. Sometimes the solution might be as simple as restarting your computer or toggling a feature within the app off and back on. If it still seems unclear, or the diagnostics suggest a more complex issue, don't hesitate to reach out to Nordvpn's customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and help guide you through any advanced troubleshooting steps that might be necessary. Remember, they are well equipped to handle these issues as they occur frequently with users worldwide. Lastly, always ensure your Windows 11 system is up to date. Just like with applications, system updates can improve compatibility and resolve conflicts that might affect software like NordVPN. Check your Windows Update tool for any pending updates and install them before trying your VPN connection again. To sum up, fix your NordVPN connection issue by opening the app, accessing the settings, and running the diagnostics tool. These steps should help isolate and resolve your connectivity problem on Windows 11 efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!